What's up guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So you guys have been asking us about seamless always on display on OnePlus Nord CE5 along with the full screen always on display. So we all know that by default OnePlus doesn't provide seamless always on display and full screen always on display on OnePlus Nord CE series. And I think even on OnePlus Nord 6 we don't have the seamless always on display. But today in this video I'll show you guys how you can get the always on display, I mean the seamless always on display along with full screen always on display on your OnePlus Nord CE5, and you can also try it on OnePlus Nord 6 if you have one. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. So here I have my OnePlus Nord CE5 which is currently running on the latest build of OxygenOS 16, which is 16.0.3. And guys, it's not an official method. The method which I'll show you guys is published on OnePlus community. I'll put up the link in the description below. You guys can check it out there. As said, it's not an official method, and make sure you follow all these steps one by one. So first of all, you'll be needing two applications. One will be this called Settings Database Editor, and the second one is Shizuku application. Once you have both these applications, first you need to go to Settings, under About Phone. Here scroll down, go to Version and tap on Version 7 times until you see you are a developer now. Once you see that, you just go to the System and Update section. Towards the bottom side, you'll find an option called Developer option. From here, you need to do two things. One of them is wireless debugging has to be turned on, and another thing is you need to enable this thing called disable permission monitoring. Once you are done with these two things, now first of all let me clear the data of this application because I've already tested on this device. To do a fresh start, I'll delete the data of this application so that I can show you guys the process properly. So now what you need to do, you need to open this application first and you need to pair your device. Once it's paired, it will show here Shizuku is working. So tapping on pair, I'll allow the notification access first. Now you can see it says searching for pairing services. Now what you have to do is go to developer option, scroll down and enable wireless debugging. Once done, tap here and select this option which is pair device with pairing code. Tapping on it, here we have the pairing code. The notification will pop up. Tap here on the pairing code and enter this code 240094 and hit done. It says pairing successful. Now open up the Shizuku app and tap on start. You can see now it says Shizuku is running. After that, what you have to do is you need to download setting database. For this also I'll delete the data for once, and if you open it for the first time, here it will ask you to grant the permission. Tap on grant and tap on continue with Shizuku. So you'll see something like this after that. And guys, you need to remember one thing, do not play around with the settings over here. Just change the settings which I'll mention. If you want only seamless always on display, then tap on the search icon and search for AOD state. So here you need to make changes. If you enter number 1, you'll get the seamless always on display, and if you enter 2, you'll get the full screen always on display. But full screen always on display is not that smooth, but the seamless always on display is really smooth. So first let's start with this seamless always on display. I'll enter the command, I mean the number 1, tap on save, and now if I lock the device and show you guys, there you can see. Now we have that proper seamless always on display on your OnePlus Nord CE5. But there are few things you guys need to remember. The values automatically gets reset if you change the flux theme, if you restart your device, or if you make any changes in the always on display section. So I'll show you about the restart now. So first let me show you. If I go to home screen settings and change the flux theme, let's apply this one, and now let me show you whether we have the seamless always on display or not. You can see the seamless always on display have disappeared. It hardly takes few seconds guys. You just need to go to the same application, search for AOD state, and again change the value to 1, and now you'll again have the seamless always on display. I'll also show you the another one which is the always on display, I mean the full screen always on display. So if you set the value as 2, save, and now if I lock the screen, you can see we also have the full screen always on display, but it's slightly buggy, though it works exactly how it works on other OnePlus smartphones. And now talking about the restart thing. So for example, if you accidentally restart your device, what exactly you have to do? So let me restart the device once. So let's wait for the device to reboot again. So our device have booted up. If I lock the device and show you guys, full screen always on display doesn't get affected after the restart, but the seamless always on display settings do get affected. For that, what you have to do, just again open the Shizuku application and tap on start. You just have to turn on USB debugging. You don't have to again enter the code, just turn it on. Now again go to the application and you can see it starts working. Now you can use that application and change the option, I mean the value. So I'll again do that. Here if you see an error which says to edit this parameter you need to grant permission. So what you can do, just go to this application, tap here and allow permissions. After that, just again open it up, search for AOD, I mean AOD state, and change the value to 1. Now you again have seamless always on display. But to secure your device guys, you can do one thing. After you have enabled everything, just go to the settings, search for disable permission monitoring and turn this setting off. Even after turning off, you'll still still have the seamless always on display. And guys, do not enter always on display section, because soon you enter here, the settings will be reverted. So I just entered. Now if you see, we have got back the basic always on display. So just avoid entering the AOD section, rest everything should be fine. So guys, this was a quick guide on how to get seamless always on display and full screen always on display. We know there are no hardware restrictions, and it would have been done easily by OnePlus. If they want, they can make changes in the software and get this seamless always on display even on OnePlus Nord series. You can try this method if your device doesn't have full screen AOD or seamless AOD. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.